Hey guys, we're back.
Hey guys.
We're back with another Pokemon break. We were able to pick up another case of Paradox Rift booster boxes. The last case was pretty solid. So this is going to be the first box out of the new case. So let's open this one and see what we're blessed with. So much easier opening booster boxes. Alright, here we go. You know the drill. My dude's got his popcorn to hold the best one. Pikachu will hold the second best one. He's got his little hat on. So he's going to give us a happy delivery. Well, let's see how happy it is. So here we go. Brand new case of Paradox Rift booster boxes. The last case, the very first box, the very first pack had the Roaring Moon. Go check it out if you haven't seen it. So let's see what this case has to offer. Starting off with Mario Leaf. Venezuela. Anything good? Oh! Just like that, but we already got it. Oh, man. We'll take another one, though. It's a cool card. Double hit? No. Wow. Starting off with a nice hit, but a duplicate, if you can believe that. But it's a great card. So blessed. Alright. Starting off with a hit. Duplicate, but a hit. Well, let's keep it going. Another Mario Leaf. Amigo. Kevin Durant. Anything good? Anything? No. Alright. Pack number 3. Jigglypuff's energy. Splenda. Tink-a-tink. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Major League Baseball. Cursed Duster. Crazy Nancy, anything good? Anything? Ah, another duplicate. There you go. All right. 2 hits so far and a long ways to go. It'll be 10 hits, 12 hits, 13. I don't know. I just hope it's stuff we don't have. Uh-oh, fire. Is that hit gonna be fire? We're on fire for Yeshua, and you know this. Double Blade. Defiance Vest, I need that. Anything good? Oh wait, anything good? Nothing. Worm Jim. That one? Anything good? Anything? Oh, cool! Alright. Cool, man. We'll take this. Alright. Let's get his whole line. That'd be cool. Alright. Alright, well that's a nice one. Be nice to get a gold one of those. Amigo. Kevin Durant. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Uh-oh, Pikachu's energy. Shock the hits. Let's go. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Oh, I forgot to mention these packs are flimsy, if anyone cares. All the booster boxes are flimsy packs. Knows energy that is. Toad's cool. Counter catcher, catch them good. Oh, again, dude, this is the third time we pulled this, man. Wow, but we'll take it. Anything else? Nope. Wow, another duplicate. It's a good one. Wow. All right, 4 hits and 4 duplicates. So, how many more hits are left and how many stuff we didn't have, man? Use energy. Anything good? Anything? Major League Baseball. Take your vitamins. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Alright. Making our way through this right side. Cody Rhodes. Snorlax doll. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Boy. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Alright, about 4 packs left on the right side. See if there's gonna be anything else. I just want stuff we don't have. We're doubling up on everything. Of course I'll double up on the Roaring Moon. I'll take another one of those. Tinkaton. Anything good? Devolution, might want to look that up. Anything good? No. Oh, there's another pack back there, so still have about 4 packs. It's so hard to tell. Jigglypuff's energy. There's your girl. Anything good? Anything? Oh, another duplicate. Wow. Another hit, though. Alright. 5 hits and 5 duplicates. For us. Maybe not for you. There you go. Pikachu's energy. Shock the hits. Bounce sweet. Medical energy. Stay away from that. Dondozo. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. All right, pack 17. What's that, John? All right, see if John's got anything in his pack. He's on Christmas vacation, so we'll have him all week. Here we go. Come on, John. Give me gold. Give me something good. Where's the good one? Anything good? Okay, here we go. Anything good? Anything? Ah, that's it. All right. Pack 18. John didn't have anything in his pack. Let's see. Uh-oh. Are we going to end on fire? We're on fire for Yeshua. And you know this. Gavilan. Anything good? Anything? Oh, okay. We didn't have this. Cool. All right. All right. We got the SIR of this already, but we didn't have this. All right. Cool. All right. Let's start a trend. All right. I'll let him hold that. All right. First pack from the left side. You know the spiel. Some kid would have won a jackpot. He turned in his tickets. He said he wanted a pack of Pokemon. This is the one they would have given him. So let's see if he should have kept his tickets. Or if it was worth it. Oops. Fines vest. I need that. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Alright. Well, if he would have won 2 jackpots, could have bought 2 packs, and this is the other pack he would have got. So let's see if it was worth it. Or he should have kept his tickets, or he should have bought some candy. Here we go. Major League Baseball. Bounce Suite. Take your vitamins. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Alright, well, should have bought some candy. Pikachu's energy. Shock the hits. Kevin Durant. Where's the good one? Give me gold, give me something good. Nothing. Plus energy. Cursed Duster. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. We only have one thing out of all those hits there that we didn't already have. Uh-oh. Fire. Is that hit gonna be fire? We're on fire for Yeshua, and you know this. Counter catcher, catch something good. Anything good? Oh, another duplicate. Oh, man. Taking up another hit spot. Wow. I can't believe. I thought there'd be at least 2 things we didn't have. Wow. So I got a little ways to go, so let's see. Cody Rhodes. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Alright. Still got a little ways to go. Still could be 4, 5. Maybe only 3. Who knows? Golly. Amateur hour over here. What was in there that they didn't want me getting in this pack? Crazy Nancy. Take your vitamins. Anything good? Anything? Oh, we'll take it. It's a good one. It's a good EX. Just an EX, man. I got a bunch of these, man. We need the SIR, this dude. But this is a good one. Alright. Another hit spot, another duplicate, but it's a good one. So, no complaints. Oh, wow. Major League Baseball. Toad's cool. Splenda. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Whose energy that is? Splenda. Tink-a-tink. There's your boy. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Alright. Moving right along on this left side. A couple of duplicates to show for it. Pikachu's energy. Shock the hits. Awake. Onyx. Da-da-da. Anything good? Anything? Oh, cool. I don't know. I think we do, actually. That's crazy. I'm pretty sure we do. Wow. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we do, man. But still, we like these cards. Another hit spot and another duplicate. Wow, that's crazy, man. I mean, obviously I knew there'd be doubles, but wow. Mario Leaf. There's your girl. Toad's cool. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Man, if that Sandy Shocks ends up being the only thing new, that'll be crazy. Fire! Is that hit gonna be fire? We're on fire for Yeshua, and you know this. Gimme Ghoul, give me something good. Snorlax doll, anything good? Anything? Nothing. Coming towards the end of the box. How many hits left? How many new hits? Flamigo. Toad's cool. Where's the good one? Gavilan, anything good? Another Iron Moth, dude! We have this. It's a cool card, but wow, another one. Wow. Double hit pack finally? No. Wow. Another hit spot. Another SIR. Another duplicate. All right. 5 packs left. Will there be any hits left? I say at least one. I just, in general. Major League Baseball. Crazy Nancy. Tinkaton. Kevin Durant. Anything good? Oh, there it is! I told you! Yes, yes, yes! So blessed! There she is! Wow! Alright, well worth the wait. So blessed. There she is. Finally. Alright. Anything else? No. Oh man, that one came out of nowhere. All right. So blessed. The Mela. Look at that. Finally. All right. I'll put it there. All right, man. Nice hit. Finally, after all this time, her and the Tulip. But that's it. Those two right there are the only ones that aren't duplicates. Mario Leaf. Take your vitamins. Anything good? Anything? Aw. Alright. Last 3 packs. Any last packs, blessings with an S? We were just blessed with that Mela. Let's see if there's anything else. Jigglypuff's energy. Shock the hits. Shock a couple more. Take your vitamins. Wow, look at that. Anything good? Take your vitamins. Nothing. Come on. Wow. Uh-oh. Fire. Is that hit gonna be fire? We're on fire for Yeshua, and you know this. Norman, anything good? Anything? Oh! Larry again! Alright. We'll take them. Yeah, we got him before, right? Pretty sure we got Norman. Alright, last pack of what turned out to be a pretty good box. I mean, if it was anyone else, their first time, they would have had a lot of stuff that they didn't have, but just, you know, for us, those happen to be a lot of duplicates. But let's see. We're only going to get 2 things that we didn't have. Here we go, Mario Leaf. Oh, where's the good one? Medical energy. Stay away from that. Here we go. Anything good? Anything? Oh, another one. Wow, we'll take it. We got a lot of these. Wow. Alright guys, we're back with a recap. Well, that turned out to be a pretty good box. 13 total hits. And even though there was 13 total hits, there was only 2 that we didn't already have. But one of them was excellent. So here's what we were blessed with. Another one of those. Another one of those. Another one of those. Another one of those. Another Iron Hands, but we'll take it. Another Iron Valiant, but we'll take it too. And another Roaring Moon EX, so we'll take it. This was one of the 2 things we didn't already have. So glad to get this. Another one of those. Another one of those. It's a cool card. Another one of those. That's also a cool card. Another one of those. But guys, finally, after all this time, the Mela. So blessed. And never ever forget, guys, every card pulled on this channel came from Hinkle Family Fun Center. Go there now. They're loaded with everything Pokemon. Tons of Paradox Rift. Tons of everything. And you can pull great stuff like this. So we got plenty more Paradox Rift breaks coming up, guys. So until the next one, God bless and thank you for watching.